I'm Ryan Peacock with Paul Davis Restoration in San Jose, and I just want to give you a quick overview of our extraction equipment. This unit here has a Cummins diesel in it, and it's got a blower about 3 times as big as any carpet mount blower. We've used it on large office buildings and commercial floods to extract water. We've used it in crawl spaces. We've used it on sewage losses before, where we have to dump off site. So what I want to do is quickly just demonstrate. We're going to fire it up. We're going to demonstrate how fast we can extract water from these 2 buckets. And as you can see, we're set. We can pull 4 wands off it and have this thing mobilized within about 30 minutes on any job, anywhere in the Bay Area. You walk around the back side of the unit, we can pressure wash for post loss and any fire damage. We've got this unit here, which I'll show you dumps, and we're able to dump sewage back into the sewer system or a treatment facility. We've also used this unit to pull mud from crawl spaces that's contaminated. So let's fire it up, and then Marco and Francisco are going to show us how we do this. In our business, there's no other unit like this in the Bay Area. If you ever need a lot of horsepower on any kind of water damage or water extraction, please give us a call. Thank you.